Viewers, thank you for joining us on the News Hour. My name is Pranesh. Can there be a bigger endorsement of the Modi model than a direct vote appeal from the main opposition? Is Team India helping Modi in achieving 400 par target? Has the India Alliance decided to endorse PM Modi for his third term in office? You won't be surprised if you heard what Congress's Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said today. While the Congress and TMC are in an alliance that vows to defeat Modi, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary put Modi over Mamta clearly. Appealing to voters, Adhir Ranjan said it's better to vote for the BJP than TMC. The TMC was livid with his brazen breach of alliance dharma and launched an offensive calling the Congress the B team of the BJP. Adhir was not the only one. Congress's ally Samajwadi Party's veteran Akhilesh's uncle Shivpal took a pledge to ensure victory of the BJP. Hear it to believe it.
তৃণমূলকে ভোট দেওয়া মানে তার থেকে ভালো বিজেপিকে ভোট দিই না। তৃণমূলকে ভোট দেওয়া মানে তার থেকে অনেক ভালো বিজেপিকে ভোট দিয়ে দেওয়া। তাই তৃণমূলকে নয়, বিজেপিকে নয়, সর্বসময়ের সর্ববছর সারা বছরে সুখ দুঃখের ভরসা বকুল আপনাদের পাশে থাকবে। আপনারা তাই বিজেপিকে সমর্থন করুন।
आज तो राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष अखिलेश यादव को आप बोलना है और आप सब लोगों को सुनना है और फिर 7 मई को भारतीय जनता पार्टी को बहुत बड़े मार्जिन से जिताना है और इसलिए भी जिताना है आपके सामने पर कई बार बहुत चुनौतियां आई हैं।
You're watching the News Hour at 9. Debate number 2 on Times Now. Super Prime Time.
Now you heard the two comments, whether this is slip of tongue or their man ki baat. Let's put that to debate. Joining us, Shazia Ilmi, the national spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Dr. Anand Ranganathan needs no introduction. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, political analyst. Dr. Riju Datta, the national spokesperson of the TMC. Muhammad Tariq Khan completes the panel, the national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party. Dr. Ranganathan, are you surprised with this endorsement? Not just from Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, but also the Samajwadi Party veteran.
You know, good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. There is a wonderful meme which has Kader Khan asking, I think, Johnny Lever, "Arey bhai, tu meri party se hai ya unki party se hai?" And the fact of the matter is that a very good friend, in fact, younger brother of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji is Kamru ji. They're both like, thick as thieves, pun not intended. So let us, after I am done with my 2 minutes, please do ask Kamruji if he stands by the statement of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji that please don't vote TMC. If you must, vote BJP. Please ask him directly. Or does he not endorse what Adhir Ranjan ji has said? But the fact of the matter, Pranesh, is India, said once a great man called Rahul Gandhi, is not a nation, but a union of states. So India Alliance is indeed not for the nation, but a union of corrupt, immoral, sectarian, communal states. And this is not me saying it, but rather Congress itself. You don't believe me? Let me explain. Congress wants to save the life of democracy in India by teaming up with Mamta Banerjee, who it blames for the death of democracy in Bengal. Congress wants to rid corruption in India by teaming up with Pinarayi Vijayan, who it blames for 100 crore camera scam in Kerala. And Priyanka Gandhi has gone so far as to say that ED raid should be conducted on Pinarayi Vijayan. Why is Modi in cahoots with Pinarayi Vijayan? Why is he not conducting ED raid? Congress wants to purge sectarianism in India by teaming up with Bhagwant Mann, who it blames for appeasing Khalistanis in Punjab. Congress wants to rid terror appeasement in India by teaming up with Stalin, who it blames for felicitating Rajiv Gandhi's killer in Tamil Nadu. Congress wants to remove sleaze from India by teaming up with Nitish Kumar and, Lalu Yadav, who it blames for perpetrating massive scams in Bihar. Congress wants to eradicate Mafia Raj from India by teaming up with Akhilesh, who it blames for Mafia Raj in UP. Congress wants to eradicate communalism in India by teaming up with Indian Union Muslim League, who it blames for riots and quote-unquote evil deeds. I can go on and on. Congress wants to eradicate horse trading in India by teaming up with Soren, who it blames for horse trading and arrest of MLAs in Jharkhand. So many. Congress wants to imprint Savarkar as a coward, treacherous assassin, on the collective memory of India by teaming up with Uddhav Thackeray, who wants to honor Savarkar with Bharat Ratna. So many cases like that. So I want to ask, yes, I can still say coalition dharma means people of varying ideology can come together for demanding that the greater evil might go away to defeat BJP. But I want to ask, that's one thing, and that is ubiquitous. But the fact of the matter is, yes, let's say you remove BJP. BJP goes out of power. You come to power. Please tell me, will Indians accept the fact that you have been accusing people of terror apologists, of being corrupt, of being in cahoots, or with Khalistanis, of sectarianism? All those people, you will be giving them power to rule India? Does that make any sense, Pranesh? I ask you, point blank.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, respond to what Dr. Ranganathan said, but before that, what do you make of what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said?
Can you replay that, what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ji said?
Of course, sir. I can play it as many times as you want. Nothing will change. Let's have that clip again.
No, please.
इस बार 400 पार এখন আর মোদির সেবা করা নেই সার্ভে বলছে মোদির এই মুহূর্তে 100 সিট মোদির হাত থেকে বেরিয়ে গেছে আরো সিট কমার দিকে চলেছে তাই ভুল করবেন না কংগ্রেস এবং বামকে জেতানো জরুরি কংগ্রেস এবং বাম যদি না জেতে ভারতবর্ষের ধর্মনিরপেক্ষতা আঘাত পাবে তৃণমূলকে ভোট দেওয়া মানে তার থেকে ভালো বিজেপিকে ভোট দিই না তৃণমূলকে ভোট দেওয়া মানে তার থেকে অনেক ভালো বিজেপিকে ভোট দিয়ে দেওয়া তাই তৃণমূলকে নয় বিজেপিকে নয় সর্বসময়ের সর্ববছর সারা বছরে সুখ দুঃখের ভরসা বকুল আপনাদের পাশে থাকবে আপনারা এই দুঃখকে সমর্থন করুন
Kamruzaman ji.
You know, Pranesh, Pranesh, our honorable Prime Minister had his own moye moment this election season. When he did the fakery of the top order, when he compared the manifesto of the Congress, I don't know which languages he understand. It has to be written in Persian, in Urdu, in Bangla or Hindi or English. I don't know. But the topmost executive of our country, the Prime Minister, had his moye moment in reading the Congress's.
अधीर पे सवाल है, आप मोए पे चले गए, मोए इधर अधीर रंजन चौधरी का टीएमसी ने कर दिया. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, what are you saying?
Let me finish. No. I am saying the fakery that Narendra Modi ji started.
Okay, fakery. No, let's call out the fakery. Dr. Riju Datta, why is the TMC resorting to fakery? The Congress will not tolerate it. If you don't apologize, they will snap ties with you.
Pranesh.
Dr. Riju Datta.
No, you can take me to jail. Pranesh.
No, sir, who am I to take you to jail, sir? Who am I to take you to jail?
Try to understand. No, try to understand.
No, let Dr. Riju Datta speak, sir, please. Kamruji, sir, you had your turn. Let him speak. I'm asking the question that you want answered. Why is the TMC resorting to fakery, Dr. Datta?
Look, first of all, I want to say all the very best to Shri Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, because after 4th of June he has to sustain himself on the great pension benefits of the parliament. So all the very best to him for the next few days. But what we are saying today, Pranesh, on your show and in presence of probably the same panel, we have been saying this for ages. That the eyes and ears of the BJP, the informer of BJP in Bengal, why in Bengal we do not have an alliance with the Congress is Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Adhir, we are with Indian National Congress. We are not with Adhir Ranjan Congress. Why? Because with Indian National Congress, we are fighting against the BJP. And Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is the agent of BJP in Bengal. And we have been saying this for ages. Today, Adhir Ranjan, yesterday, let me please finish. Day before yesterday, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary exposed himself. To save his Baharampur seat, he's been in cahoots with the BJP and he has exposed himself and said, go and vote for BJP, not for TMC. Now it is up to the Gandhi family and the high commands of the Congress to either take action on him or muzzle him. We can only give him best wishes for his pension benefits.
You can keep giving him best wishes. The Congress party has said nothing doing. 1 minute, Dr. Datta. I'm sure you remember this is not the first instance of Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary ridiculing the TMC. He said much worse against Mamta Banerjee, said that democracy has ended in Bengal. Let's bring in Dr. Ranganathan. He wants to come in quickly. Yes.
Yes, sorry to interrupt. I can still imagine this conspiracy theory of my good friend and brother, Dr. Datta, saying that Adhir Ranjan is an agent of BJP. Can he please explain why Didi also said something along the similar lines? Do not vote for Congress.
Dr. Datta.
Yes, I will answer. And yes, the straightforward answer is that because in Bengal, we have said time and again, and Dr. Ranganathan also knows this, that in Bengal, India Alliance is Trinamool Congress. Because the Congress and the CPM in Bengal are in cahoots with the BJP. Because they are zero. And it is not the first time I'm saying this. And one more thing, for the clarity of your viewers, when Mr. Gandhi, Mrs. Sonia Gandhi, Sitaram Yechuri and Mamta Banerjee were meeting in Delhi, Bombay to form a formidable opposition against the force of BJP. It was Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary and the Muhammad Salim.
Dr. Datta, are you saying that Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is more powerful than Rahul Gandhi, Mr. Khadge, Sonia Gandhi, or what have you in the scheme of things of the Congress? And Shazia Ilmi, please don't feel left out today, because it is not by design that I'm now bringing you in. It's just that the debate, does not allow for the BJP because the TMC is taking on the Congress. Now, what will you do? There's nothing for you to say. They're taking on each other.
But you know something?
No, we are not. No. Pradesh, please.
Absolutely.
Let's
So I don't know whether I'm left out
have
or
a say.
right out, but the fact of the matter is, no, I don't know whether I'm left out or not, or right out, but the fact of the matter is that if you were to have a profile on Facebook of India Alliance, the current status of relationship would keep changing. It is so mercurial that they don't know who's with whom. It is a very complicated Venn diagram. So I think what binds them together is just the desire to defeat Modi, the visceral hatred they have. Apart from that, they have nothing in common. And how on earth will they go when they can't explain this to each other? How on earth will they go and explain it to the cadres? Now, what is the plan? I can't even say they've lost the plot because there is no plot to start with. Now, look at Kerala, what Shashi Tharoor is saying. He's saying very clearly that I had more problems with LDF than I had with BJP. Now, we just heard what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary has been saying. What Mamta Banerjee has been saying, she's actually going and telling voters directly and to her telling her candidates to tell all the voters that please, if Congress comes to you and asks for votes, tell them we have nothing to do with them.
No, that's
and
the larger
just
question.
That,
If Rahul Gandhi or the Gandhi family or Mr. Khadge, they are not listening to what Mamta Banerjee is saying and still not acting against Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, there's a message there. Let's bring in the Samajwadi Party. Mohammad Tariq Khan. Tariq bhai, आपने सुना, वो अगर आप चाहेंगे तो हम फिर से चला सकते हैं, क्योंकि कमरुज़मान चौधरी जी ने बोला था कि एक बार आप चलाइए, आप अगर चाहेंगे तो हम वो भी कर सकते हैं. शिवपाल यादव जी की बात कर रहा हूं मैं, उन्होंने क्या कहा?
Pranesh, you did not let me complete after that.
I'll come to you, sir. I'll come to you.
After that, I need a chance to defend it.
Sir, you had a chance. You allowed Adhir Dada to speak. What can I do?
What I have learned till now, what I have learned till now in my life,
Because
that humans are subject to error. But
No.
what you said, slip of tongue means.
Let Tariq bhai have his say. All faders down, please. Tariq. Yes, Tariq bhai.
Okay. What I have learned till now is humans are subject to error. But you are saying that slip of tongue means Mann Ki Baat. What I have read on that, on your channel, I accept it.
नहीं, मैंने ऐसा नहीं बोला तारिक भाई. मैंने बोला ये स्लिप ऑफ टंग है या मन की बात है. मैंने और बोला है. और
अब मैं बोलूं
जी,
स्लिप ऑफ टंग कुड भी मन की बात हो सकती है. अब मैं बोलूं, सभी लोग मेरे बीच में बोलेंगे, मैं तो किसी के बीच में नहीं बोला था.
बोलिए सर, बोलिए.
2022 में मोदी जी ने कहा बेटी बचाओ बेटी पटाओ. स्लिप ऑफ टंग था कि मन की बात थी? मन की बात है. कहां जाकर बेटियां पटानी है और किसकी बेटियां पटानी है, बताइए ना. ये मन की बात है या इट्स जस्ट अ स्लिप ऑफ टंग? द होल अपोजिशन हैज जस्ट इग्नोर्ड इट, दैट लेट इट बी अ स्लिप ऑफ टंग. अभी आपने कहा कि मैं हवाई जहाज से सड़क से पहुंच गया था. ठीक है, वी ऑल्सो इग्नोर्ड. आप अमेरिका गए और वहां की कांग्रेस में बोल रहे थे और आपने क्या बोला? वहां पर आपने क्या बोला वहां पर आपने बोला कि क्या था,
अब आप पहले रिसर्च कर लीजिए, देखिए शो निकल जाएगा। ये इसमें भी आप मोदी जी को कोट कर रहे हैं, शिवपाल जी भी मोदी जी के लिए वोट मांग रहे हैं।
डेटिंग इन अ गर्ल चाइल्ड क्या है ये मुझे समझाइए।
बट तारिक भाई देखिए ये जो है बीजेपी कह रही है।
I want to just come in. I want to come in just a bit.
क्विक कमेंट
No,
शाजिया।
no, I want to come in just a bit. Did Mulayam Singh Yadav did Mulayam Singh Yadav not say? Did Mulayam Singh Yadav not say that Modi is the best person to govern the country? Have you forgotten that? Do you remember what pleasantries you exchanged with Congress Party and what Congress Party said about you? Akhilesh, Vakilesh. Do you remember all that? So don't make it out to be, yeah, this might be a slip of the tongue. I understand. I concede. No, yeah, fine, fair enough. But we all know that these are warring factions. There's a huge trust deficit. There is no love lost whatsoever.
Okay, Kamruzaman Chaudhary, how will you bridge this trust deficit? Two phases are over.
And it's falling apart.
Team India is falling apart. Team India is in tatters. Dr. Ranganathan showing something.
वही बोले जा रहे हैं.
Yes, Mulayam Singh.
Yes, मैं तारिक भाई को ये दिखाना
That's right.
चाहता हूँ.
Mulayam Singh Yadav lauding PM Modi. Yes.
Ranganathan ji, now, wait, Pranesh.
रिफ्यूट करिए.
Pranesh, it's my turn now. May I
No,
request you? It's my
Kamruzaman
turn now.
Chaudhary. Dr. Ranganathan, I'll come to you. Doctor, I'll come to you. Kamruzaman Chaudhary.
Second, because I'm showing it just for 10 seconds. Tariq bhai.
Pranesh, on the 4th of June 2024, myself will be in your studios, hopefully along with Anandji. Then we can see which is falling apart, whether the BJP is falling apart or the India Alliance is falling apart. Now, why I say this fakery? If you understand Bengali, what Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary said today was not what you are projecting. He said, agar tumhar Bangladesh...
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, you're not understanding the point. What fakery are you talking about? Why are you asking that question to me? Ask that of Dr. Riju Datta. You are accusing your alliance partner of falsehood, of fakery. Why are you going after the anchor? Ask Dr. Datta.
That's what
the
I'm
TMC
saying.
leaders are tweeting.
You know, before the vice president election,
Pranesh,
before the vice president election in Darjeeling, Assam's Hemanta Biswa Sharma,
That's
Mamata
okay.
Banerjee,
That's okay.
and
You
then
can
have
blame
got
Hemanta Biswa Sharma. Ask questions of the
Dhankar.
TMC
They had
because
a
the
secret
TMC is
meeting
calling
out there.
Congress a B
That's
team.
why in Bengal we say
You
it
are
is
now being
not
branded as
Trinamool,
the
it
B
is
team
not
of the BJP. Okay.
But it is BJ Mool.
Okay.
In
Tariq
Bengal,
Bhai,
we
Dr.
call them
Ranganathan has a
BJ
message.
Mool.
All faders
BJ
down.
Mool
Tariq
means
Bhai,
Trinamool.
Dr. Ranganathan has a message. Yes, doctor.
Yes, Tariq bhai, I respect you immensely. Please tell me whether the late Mulayam Singh Yadav, the great Mulayam Singh Yadav ji, was right here or wrong when he said he wishes for Modi to be Prime Minister again. Was he wrong?
Just wish the farewell of the Prime Minister and what he said. We are not covering that. But please don't cover this also कि बेटी बचाओ और बेटी पटाओ की बात किया नहीं।
आप इसमें ये गलत थे कि ठीक थे?
आप
इसमें गलत थे कि ठीक थे?
देखिए रंगनाथन भाई, आप बीच में मत
तारिक भाई, आप बता दीजिए ना।
बेटी पटाने के लिए कह रहे हैं, मैं किसकी बेटी
नहीं, ऐसी गलत-
प्रधानमंत्री
ऐसी
की
गलत
बात
बात
मानना
नहीं।
चाहता हूँ। Tell me
नहीं,
now whose
please,
daughter
don't
किसकी
use
बेटी
such
को जाकर
language.
पटाऊं? किसकी बेटी को?
Pranesh, please, this kind of language should be unacceptable in this.
नहीं,
Please.
this kind of language मतलब फिर उसको slip of tongue मानेंगे? ऐसे ही शिवपाल साहब के भी slip of tongue है, खत्म कर देते।
तो मैंने कुछ कहा शिवपाल साहब पे? Did I say something about we were talking about?
Tariq Bhai, you know, let's not cross the line. Let's be civilized, please.
मन की बात तो प्रधानमंत्री की भी मन की बात होगी फिर।
अरे तारिक भाई, आप तो गुस्सा ही हो गए। मैंने तो बोला ये स्लिप ऑफ टंग है या मन की बात। आप बोलने की भी जो आजादी तो दीजिए, इतना तो ऐसे पाबंदी मत लगाइए।
ये मेरा सवाल है, आप कह दीजिए कि स्लिप ऑफ टंग थी, मैं मान लूंगा कि बेटी बचाओ, बेटी पटाना नहीं है, पढ़ाना है। आप कह दीजिए
बार-बार क्या?
नहीं, क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं आप? नहीं, क्या बोलना चाह रहे हैं? लड़कियां गलती हो जाती है, किसने कहा था ना लड़कियां गलती हो जाती है। तो जो सवाल है आप उस पर जवाब नहीं दे रहे हैं। अच्छा, ओके व्यूअर्स, यू नो, ओके now 1 minute तारिक भाई 1 minute. I am disrupting this broadcast to bring you some breaking inputs just coming in. Shazia Ilmi, just stay with us. All our guests, stay on with us. This is an important piece of news break just coming to us in the middle of the Prajwal Revanna Rao. Look what a Congress leader has said. ex-Congress minister has compared Prajwal Revanna to, believe it or not, Lord Krishna. You have to listen to this. Prajwal wanted to break Lord Krishna's record. His words, not mine.
ಇದರಂತಹ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವಿಚಾರ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕರೆ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಭಾವನೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ರು ಜೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮುರಿಬೇಕತ್ತಿತ್ತೇನೋ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್.
Now, I don't know what to make of this, Dr. Ranganathan. Whether this is an insult of Nari Shakti, this is Sanatan slander, or, a bit of both. This is outrageous.
This is just absolutely sickening. And as I said, and I've written even a book on it, Hindus are 8th class citizens in this country. This possibly makes them 9th class citizens. You can get away by abusing and showering vile abuses and these snide remarks on Hindus only. If you even quote the scriptures of other religions, then you are condemned to death forever.
Let's play out the reaction again. I'm coming to you.
ಇದರಂತಹ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವಿಚಾರ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕರೆ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಭಾವನೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ರು ಜೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮುರಿಬೇಕತ್ತಿತ್ತೇನೋ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್. ಇದರಂತಹ ಕೆಟ್ಟ ವಿಚಾರ ನಾವು ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದೆಲ್ಲೋ ಒಂದು ಕರೆ ಗಿನ್ನಿಸ್ ದಾಖಲೆ ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಭಾವನೆ ನನಗೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಭಕ್ತಿ ಭಾವದಿಂದ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿದ್ರು ಜೋಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮುರಿಬೇಕತ್ತಿತ್ತೇನೋ ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್.
Prajwal Revanna wants to break Lord Krishna's record. I am aghast at even saying what he said. Shazia Ilmi.
I hope Kamruji condemns this.
I cannot believe I just heard this. No, I want to say something here. I think this is beyond disgusting. It is completely sickening. And I think the context in which it was used and the analogy that was used just beats me. It is not just most unbecoming, but pathetic. And I'm not a practicing Hindu. I'm a practicing Muslim. But I'm shocked, disgusted by the kind of language used and the expression with which these comments were made, and how this pervert, I don't even have words to describe this person, Prasanna, but imagine likening that to Bhagwan Krishna. I mean, I don't know what to say, and I think there is something seriously wrong with
Kamruzaman
these
Chaudhary,
people and with the way
what is going on,
they
sir?
feel they
What
can get away with
started
it.
as Sanatan slander is now culminating into this kind of commentary. I don't have words to describe this.
No, don't try to whitewash the crimes of Prajwal Revanna out
There
here.
you
by
go. I
comparing
can't
an
believe it,
obscure comment
Kamruzaman
by a Tom, Dick
Chaudhary.
and Harry
I
leader
can't believe
from
it
Karnataka.
that you choose to,
No,
gloss over
wait,
this.
wait.
No one is trying
No,
to,
don't try to
whitewash what Prajwal
the
Revanna is
crimes
Why you
accused
like
of
Prajwal
doing.
Revanna?
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, nothing is a justification of insulting sentiments which is happening in this case. I don't want to repeat what was said by the Congress leader. Here you, on one side, you have Mr. Khadge saying Shiv will fight against Ram.
No.
And then this.
No. Suno. Your Hinduism or my Islam is not so weak and so mean that any Tom, Dick and Harry comes and insults my religion. In your studios, only one panelist will always quote the Holy Quran to vilify the Islam. But we never objected to it.
Quoting from Quran is vilifying Islam.
There is even thought process.
This is, I don't. What are you saying?
Okay.
Quoting from
No,
Quran
wait,
is vilifying
wait,
Islam.
wait,
Kamruzaman
wait.
Chaudhary, would you say that
Anybody.
again? Quoting
Pranesh,
from Quran is vilifying
Pranesh,
Islam. You just said it.
Anybody.
Do you know what it means? Shazia Ilmi?
No, you interpret. You interpret
No,
to
first of
your
all,
own taste.
Kamru,
You
I know what you're
interpret to
saying.
your own taste. Now listen to me if you give me the chance.
No, do you condemn this or not? I will. No, do you condemn this? Do you condemn this, Kamruzaman Chaudhary? Do you condemn this? Do you condemn this? We will go ahead, sir, only after you take a position. Do you condemn this? Yes or no? You have a choice.
Pranesh, I'm asking for 30 seconds. 30 seconds I need. You can start your watch now.
Sir, go ahead,
First and
make your point.
foremost, nobody in this world has got any right. Nobody in this world has got any right to insult any other's beliefs. My belief system is because of my iman. Your belief system is because of your iman. There is no confusion, no doubt about it. My religion cannot be bigger than yours, nor your religion can be bigger than mine. That's what the Constitution
We all
teaches
know
us.
that. Spare
Now
us the
don't
platitudes.
try to whitewash Reverend's crime
spare us the
because of
platitudes.
one
But can you
particular
imagine?
statement
Can you
from a
imagine
Tom,
what
Dick
would
and
have
Harry.
happened?
this
Can you
conditional,
imagine
no,
what
1
would
minute.
happen?
This, it has to be an unequivocal condemnation. Don't, beat around the bush. Dr. Riju Datta. Dr. Riju Datta is a man of courage, speaks his mind always. Dr. Datta, I want you to take a principled position on this, sir.
I am saying, and everybody knows who knows me, I speak straight. I don't know what that gentleman said in his language, but what the translation of what you have just showed on your channel for viewers all over the world, if that is even remotely related to what that gentleman said, Congress, without any terms and conditions, should sack him immediately. Enough. This cannot go on. This is not acceptable. In my house, I pray to Lord Krishna. You might believe it, you might not believe it, because in our religion, we believe in separate deities. If you go to separate states, we believe in separate deities. But you cannot, in no way, shape or form, insult our deities. Enough is enough. Keep gods and goddesses out of politics. And if this gentleman, whoever he is, I can't care less, if he has said remotely what your translation is, he should be immediately sacked by the political party he belongs from.
I'm glad you're saying that, Dr. Riju Datta. I'm glad you're taking a stand, rising above politics and taking a position, because this is really a case of the Congress Neta crossing the line. Let me quote, for the benefit of our viewers, let me just quote what was said.
I want to just say one thing.
Okay,
said something.
Yeah, go ahead. Make your
He
point.
was insinuating that because Anand Rangan. So Kamru here, instead of calling the Congress minister an outright freak for having said something like this, he decided to indulge in and insinuate that Anand Ranganathan, because he quotes the Quran, and that is not all right by him. And so in a way justifying what was said by the Congress minister. Now the fact of the matter is that the Congress minister likened the acts of Prajwala. I mean, I couldn't care about that pervert. He's the filthiest man on earth and a complete criminal, but that's another thing. But here, this is being used. If Anand talks about Quran Sharif or any ayat and quotes a bit, it is being used to condone the words of this man, which are so sickening and disgusting. Secondly, I want to ask Kamruji, if this were happen, let's be fair. You talk about believing in your imam. If somebody says something about your imam, you know what happens? And it's embarrassing that it happens that way. But imagine what
Forget anyone saying anything against the imam. Even if you quote the hadith, we've seen what has happened. I don't want to even touch that, because
So
I don't know
really
what happens to people after that. So I don't want to our viewers understand what I'm talking about. But I just want to quote Shazia, allow me to quote quote for our viewers so that they understand the context. Women used to be with Sri Krishna with devotion, but not this way. Probably Prajwal Revanna wanted to break his record. Unquote. In as many words, he said it. तारिक भाई, डॉक्टर रिजू दत्ता ने कहा है कि अगर ये कोई इसमें से बताई गई कोई भी शब्द सही है तो वो इसका खंडन करते हैं. आप क्या कहेंगे?
We do not stand with these type of statements made by anybody to a Lord or especially to Lord Krishna, because we believe that there should be a lot of respect for him And I don't support, our party don't support these type of statement, and means we don't give any type of support to these type of statement, and
Okay.
there should be strict action if he's saying in the same context as you have presented.
Right. Let's see what happens, but I can tell you that people have said much worse about Sanatan and still no action has been taken. All that has been glossed over. Dr. Ranganathan, you have the last word on the show.
No, you see, politicians say all sorts of filthy, abusive, vile statements. Who is atop them to punish them? It's the Supreme Court. Now, the Supreme Court castigated Nupur, blamed her for, in fact, committing a sin that was committed by someone else who just said, I support with Nupur. That person was beheaded and Supreme Court said Nupur has done this. Whereas the Supreme Court was silent for months on end when Sanatan Dharma was intended to be eradicated by people, DMK ruling government. Now let us wait and watch what the Supreme Court says. Will it take suo moto action on this? I doubt it.
Let's see what happens. I thank all of you for joining us. It's really disturbing that we have to end this with this kind of a response. But Madhav Das Gopalakrishnan debates this. That's coming up next. Thanks for watching the News Hour.